Greetings! Want to save storage space and share images faster? Try WMaster ZipKing, the smart way to compress files without losing quality. From the ZipKing interface, click Image Compress. You can drag and drop an image here, or click Select Image to browse. Choose the compression option. Choose Advanced to customize the file size or resolution. Select the output format. Choose the original or convert to JPG or PNG formats. Set the save location. Finally, click Compress. ZipKing will compress the images within seconds. Click the folder link to view the compressed file at the specified location. Click Add to choose files for bulk compression. After setting the options, click Compress to start bulk compression. Select and right-click the desired image. Choosing to adjust image size or image compression will open the Hyper-Compress window. The rest of the procedure remains the same. Choosing Add to Compress File will open a pop-up window. Here you can set the save location, compression methods, archive format, size splitting, compression type, adding a password or annotations, self-extract archive. Finally, click the Compress Now button to start compression. Choosing Add to Zip or Add to Highly Compressed File will create an archive in the respective format. Thanks for watching.